I congratulate to all the paper presenters. It was a wonderful session, and thank you all for being with us. Now it's finally the valedictory hour. You all have been waiting, and I know it's a long day today. But hats off to all of you too for joining us. Thank you. Now moving ahead, we have thanks, Kuwar Abhimanyu Singh.
Hi, thank you, Shubhra. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So, my dear friends, it's a matter of great pleasure to present vote of thanks on the behalf of Cape Comorin Trust, the three-day international virtual conference on the theme of Indigenous Studies concludes today. This conference was able to achieve its aim, and that is of including socially, economically, and culturally excluded indigenous people into the realm of intellectual study and research. During the three-day international conference, we had three keynote speakers: Dr. Pradeep Patra, professor in English, Bodoland University, Assam, India; Dr. Priscilla Sethi, professor in Indigenous Studies, University of Saskatchewan, Saskatoon, Canada; Padma Shri Ganesh N. Devi, a critic, a thinker, an educator, and an activist of India. We had 10 plenary speakers, which includes Dr. Malini Ganpati from Malaysia, Dr. Lata Dubey from India, Dr. Marlina Jamal from Malaysia, Dr. Dipanvita Paul from India, Jason Tellis from Philippines, Dr. Charles Ryan from Australia, Dr. Hendrik Joko Julianto from Indonesia, Dr. Tri Premesti from Indonesia, Dr. Beena Sengar from India, and Dr. Anita Sharma from India. Also, we had 18 sessions chaired by eminent personalities in which 92 papers were presented. So I take this opportunity to thank our keynote speakers, plenary session experts, eminent chairpersons, and all the paper presenters, participants, and the audience. Our audience also our organizers also deserve a fair share of gratitude. So I extend warm gratitude to Cape Comorin Trust India and Lavender Literary Club India and their collaborators, South Cross University, Australia, University of 17 August 1945, Indonesia, University of Philippines, Department of English, Bodoland University, Assam, India, and White Memorial College of Arts and Science for Women, Kerala, India. I also extend my gratitude to the publishing unit of this international conference, which is Cape Comorin Publishers. I'll take this opportunity to extend a warm, heartfelt gratitude to Dr. R.S. Regin Sylvest, patron of the event, Dr. Rubin Sylvest, president of the event, Dr. Frank Joyson Satya, vice president of the event, and also to very jubilant and hardworking convener of this international conference, Dr. Shubhra Jambol. The team of coordinators, which includes Dr. Morve Roshan from United Kingdom, Ms. Shapia Shamim from India, Kuwar Abhimanyu Dev Singh from India, and Nilokita Zemki from Greece. Thank you to the team of coordinators and the team of co-coordinators. I would like to say thanks from the depth of my heart to the advisory board of the event, which includes Dr. John Charles Ryan, Associate Professor, South Cross University, Australia, Dr. Sapsiaji, Dr. Prajasa, Dr. Premesti from University of 17 August 1945, Indonesia, Dr. Brahma, Dr. Biswas, Dr. Mehdi, Dr. Bhaumik from Bodoland University, Assam, Dr. Hendrikus Yoko Julianto from State University of Semarang, Indonesia, and Dr. Rajendran and Dr. Jayashekhar from White Memorial College of Arts and Science for Women, Kerala, India. Respected sirs, and the members of advisory boards. This event would have not been possible a great success without your guidance and cooperation. Taking this moment, I would like to extend my warm and sincere thanks to the moderators of various sessions, especially Shiv Gamini, who worked hard and patiently, sitting placed at one place to run these sessions smoothly. And finally, with folded hands and headboard, I say thanks to the Almighty for our safety, health, and successful running of this workshop, which helped us earn intellectual treasure. Thank you so much, everyone, for being part of everyone's growth here. Dhanyawad, thank you, Tarima Khasi Bayang. And before I say final goodbye, I would like to see you in our next international virtual conference on 16, 17, 18 September 2020 on gender studies. The brochure will be shared by Dr. Shubhra Jamwal on the screen. And also kindly find the feedback form in the chat box. Namaste. Thank you. Over to Dr. Shubhra, please.
Yeah, thank you so much, Abhimanyu. Am I audible?
Yes, very much.
Okay. So thank you all for joining us and being with us. We are soon going to start with another conference, 3-day conference on gender studies, as you can see in the brochure, and you can contact me again. We are always there, and this was such an enlightening and wonderful conference. Hope to see you again. Dr. Regin can share the feedback, sir, if you can share the feedback in the group. And I hope all of you liked it. So thank you for appreciating us, being with us. And this is a long journey on all of us. Hope to be together forever. Thank you all for joining us and being a part of our conference. Thank you, Amu. Thank you, Deepa. Lovely compliments you have been giving to us. Thank you, Lee Clifford. And here, yes, thank you, Dr. Regin, for sharing the feedback. Please search the feedback, and it is there. If you find any difficulty filling up your feedback, make sure that you are putting your correct name, because this is the certificates will be automatically generated, and then there might be some problem. Yes, we will share this gender studies brochure in our group too. You're most welcome to be with us in the another conference. It would be so much of fun. Yes, I was talking about the feedback. Please fill the feedback form very carefully, and you will be getting your certificates very soon, within 5-10 days. Thank you everyone. Ananya, thank you so much. Lima, thank you. And please fill the feedback form time and again. I'm repeating. Thank you, Dr. Regin, who is the ship of the captain, for being with us. And he has truly worked hard, and he is always a motivation for all of us. Thank you so much, Cape Cameron Trust and Cape Cameron Press, for being with us. Thank you, Lavender Literary Club. Thank you to all the advisors, coordinators, co-coordinators. Thank you, all the participants. It was really enlightening session. Thank you once again from the deep core of my heart. And I hope all of you have filled up the feedback forms. We're just waiting for all of you to fill up your feedback forms. Please do fill up your feedback form. That is important. Dr. Regin, are you there? Would you like to say a few words? Chitra, I have already sent the link. please see. Okay, that's nice. Uh, Everybody, please make sure that you're putting everything in order. The title of your paper has to be correct because this is how our certificates will be generated. Final submission of the paper, we'll let you know soon. All the details, Ankita, will be followed later.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Anybody would like to share his or her experience? We would love to share, listen to your views. Even though we are reading, thank you, Jagmeet ma'am. Thank you, Ankita. Dr. Regin, can you please send the feedback link once again? Thank you, Ramesh. Fabulous, amazing, elegant, exquisite, dazzling, fascinating, exciting session. Thank you so much.
We don't have, the epithets to describe the experience. It was a wonderfully organized conference, and we are looking forward to such more, conference, and very fruitfully and very diligently organized. It started around 8:30 in the morning, and it's been around 12 hours, and we've not lost the interest, which is the most important thing, and really a very, very useful and learning experience.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ankita. That's what I was also discussing with someone, that it's almost 12 hours and all of us are here. That's a big thing.
Yeah, and we're still glued on the screens.
Yes, true. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Anybody else would like to share?
Yes, this is Dr. Aishobna.
Okay, please.
Really, it's a very wonderful and enriching experience. First of all, my hearty congratulations to all the team members.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Very enriching experience,
Hello,
never
ma'am.
experienced. Yes, hello?
Am
Am
I
I audible?
Yes, you're up. Please continue. Please continue.
Okay. Really, it's very enriching experience. Never experienced such a disciplined galaxy of learners and presenters. Thank you, organizers on the screen and off the screen, for carrying out knowledge of voyage in a beautiful and organizing way. This e-conference has given insight on literature and language. So thank you very much, all the organizers. No words to describe actually. Thanks for all the precious moment of inspiration. Deep regards to all, and I wish all of your health and happiness to all. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Shobna. Thank you, and wishing the same to you. Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Am I audible? Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the entire team, and particularly Dr. Regin Silvis sir and all the organizers and the coordinators for providing such a wonderful and very, very fruitful platform from which everybody can get so much about the new horizon and new aspect of the humanity to we can look through which upon the entire world literature. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shubhra Jambal ma'am, Regin Sylvester for inspiring me and also giving me an opportunity to be the part of this global discourse on indigenous studies. It was really a very excellent experience because we did organize national and international conferences, but this was the first time webinar, and obviously it was a virtual conference. Due to the post-COVID and the situations of the COVID-19 that have been there in India and especially in Maharashtra and in Aurangabad, we have too many cases. And just to as a therapy, it was a good to have deliberations and discussions on indigenous studies. And I think complete justice has been given to the international conference as such, because we had so many participants coming up from various countries participating. You have a very good plenary speakers. Already Abhimanyu has done a great job by thanking each and everyone, the coordinators and co-coordinators, the plenary speakers, and everyone he could cover up. And that was really good. Looking at new faces, coming into contact with new people, and having, I mean to say, with the literary circle, getting into again the different academicians from different fields coming up and having their deliberations and discussions on this particular theme, basically the indigenous studies for that matter. So it was really a good experience for Kerry with me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Regine,
you.
once again, because I'm making it an international thanks for that matter, because you have really been there for me. Yeah. And Shobra ma'am, thank you so much. Yes,
Thank
Abhimanyu,
you.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
one
you
and
so
all.
much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I think Suchitra, you want to say something?
No, thank you so much, ma'am, for providing this platform for presenting my paper and giving us this amazing chance to get to know so many knowledgeable stuff. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And thank you for being so wonderful spectators, audience, and paper presenters. See, generally, with so many people around, with almost 100 participants, it becomes really difficult at times to mute everybody. And you were so nice presenters that you kept yourself on mute, and it was in all disciplined way. So that is most appreciable thing. Thank you from the organizers side to all the participants for being so disciplined. And that's, that counts for a success of a webinar. And especially now, virtual webinars are not possible when we don't have discipline like this. Thank you. So I hope all of you have filled up your feedback forms and nobody is left. Thank you. That's all. Dr. Regin, can you check so that we can stop we can come to the conclusion of this 3-day international conference. So in the meantime, I'll just read a few chats because my laptop is not working and now I am finally on my phone. because there's some electricity issue, and after 12 hours, my laptop is gone. So this is Bindya Kumari saying that you are all stars of intellectual sky, especially thanks to Dr. Regin sir. So thank you, Bindya. And Jagmeet ma'am is saying, yes, true, Dr. Shubhra, it was a disciplined conference. Wow, thank you. And in fact, I'm saying this to you. Discipline comes from the participants. That is most important. Thank you. And Jitendra Kumar says, though these are challenges, it was nicely completed. Thank you, sir. Very true. Suchitra again, thank you, Cape Comorin Trust and all the organizers to make it such an amazing learning opportunities. I look forward to many more such conferences. Yes, definitely. Thank you, Suchitra.